There have been times where I'm cooking dinner and it's like brain is elsewhere and we get into an intimate situation on the kitchen floor or on the sofa or in the living room, whatever it is. We don't make it this whole hoo-ha thing and go to the bedroom by any means. And sometimes that intimate moment is just a hot makeout session or, me going down on him or him going down on me or us having full blown sex, whatever it is, it doesn't matter. You don't need to have a, full blown, BDSM situation to be having intimacy. You literally could have 5 minutes of just passionate, present, making out time. Use it. Use it in that moment. It is so easy for us to be like, no, let's have sex later. We'll do it later. Yes, we'll do it later. Let's have dinner and then we'll do it afterwards. But how often does that afterwards actually come? And this is something that I've kind of had to be flexible with because even, for example, as the cook in the relationship, I'm the one that cooks. I'll cook dinner and then let's say, for example, we get into an intimate situation and dinner's getting cold. I've really had to train my brain to fuck dinner getting cold because it is worth dinner being cold for connection. Because what is life without connection? What is life without connection? If you really think about it, is replying to that email really more important than connection in your relationship? Can the email wait 10 minutes? Probably. If it can't, okay, quickly do the email and then go back, right? Can the email wait 10 minutes? And the reason why I say this also is not just because of the connection piece and how important that is with your person, but also because if you gave yourself more time for connection and intimacy, even intimacy in a non-sexual way, like even with, intimacy with your friendships, with your colleagues or whatever it is, intimacy allows you to feel more connected. That is going to help you feel more life force energy pumping through your body. Therefore, you are going to feel more high vibrational, and therefore you are going to do better work. So that email that you have to reply to, it's going to be, your reply is going to be 10 times better because you've given yourself permission to have that intimate time. So for those of you that need that, please remember, often later never happens. I'll hire the coach later. I'll go to the shops later. I'll exercise later. Do you? No, because life gets busy. We get sidetracked. It's okay. It's okay. It's just about cultivating a bit of self-discipline and reminding yourself later isn't going to happen. Let's just fucking do this now. And not because you have to, because you want the connection and you want the intimacy. So that's something that we really pride ourselves on, is that when we get into those intimate moments, we roll with it. No matter how much work we have to do, we roll with it because it feeds us, it nourishes us, and it is the essence of our life. So what is the point of sending the email if you don't have a good life? What's the point of working the hard job if you don't have a great life to come home to? Reprioritize if you need to.